Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a calendar in Google Sheets, just using the built-in calendar template. It is quick and easy and perfect for planning your schedule, tracking important events, or organizing your work throughout the year. So let's start by opening your web browser and signing in into your Google account. So once you're logged in, just click on the Google Apps icon here in the top right corner and select Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free spreadsheet tool that lets you create everything from budgets and schedules to calendars and project trackers. Now let's open the template gallery. So click on this icon here and then just scroll through the available templates until you find the annual calendar in here. So click on it and Google Sheets will automatically create a new spreadsheet using the calendar template. So the first thing that we could do in here, the template will open with a default year already filled in. So if you'd like to use a different year, just simply update the year in the designated cell. So as you can see, we currently have 2026, and if you double click on it, you should be able to see that the year is set for today. So you could just simply go ahead and change this. So update this to the year that you would like to use. This actually makes it easy to reuse the same template every year without having to build a new calendar from scratch. Now we could go ahead and explore the calendar. The first cell is we have the overview of the entire year. But here on the bottom of the spreadsheet, we should be able to see the separate tabs for each month from January to December. So let's click on January in here. So you could click on any monthly tab to view a more detailed calendar where you can plan your schedule and keep track of important dates. So for example, if you want or if you have an appointment on June 12th, so you could simply double click onto there and you could start adding anything that you want to add. So for example, appointment. So as you can see, we have added something here onto our calendar. Now you could also customize this calendar. So you could just simply click on format in here, and then we have theme to change the appearance of your calendar. So there are a lot of options that you could choose, and we're currently using the simple light version. So feel free to experiment until your calendar looks exactly the way you want. Then right after, once everything is set on your end, just go ahead and simply begin on adding your own events in the calendar. So you just choose any month in there, click on any date and type in your appointments, meeting, birthdays, deadlines, or other important activities, just like what we did earlier. So your calendar will become a simple planner that is easy to update whenever your schedule changes. So when you're finished, you can keep the calendar in Google Sheets so it's always available online. So you could go ahead and update the file name also in here. And if you'd like a printable copy, just click on File here. And then we have download, and you can download this as PDF. So Google Sheets will generate a PDF version that you can save, print, or share with others. And that is just basically how you can create a yearly calendar in Google Sheets using the built-in template. It is a fast and convenient way to stay organized without having to design a calendar from scratch. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.